Hey, welcome to a Claas tractor. So if we look at it, this is a dash. We can see our DEF level, our fuel level. If we're in park, forward, reverse, our engine temperature, our engine RPM, our speed and our time. And up top is a button that we can go through to see our slip, our brake pressure, our current hours, and the tribometer hours that we can reset after the rental is done. And then our RPMs on the side. And that button is for front suspension, and there's also the front wheel assist that you can be turned on and turned off. And if we go over to our operating screen, we just press the orange button, push forward, and we can see we're driving now, and then we can just push it. It drives, push the orange button again, pull back, now we're in reverse, and the tractor will drive at the same speed reverse as we're going forward. Over here are our hydraulics. So to adjust our hydraulics, we can just press on them, set our flows, and set a timer. If we just want the remote to be for 8 seconds, we can go to 8. If we want it to be continuous, we would go to continuous. To engage our hydraulics are over here. To unlock them is right in the back. Above it is the 4-way flashers, and beside it is the battery disconnect switch. Also, if you are going to use your PTO, we have our front PTO, we have our rear PTO, we have our front 3-point and rear 3-point. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 remotes, 3 handles. The other 2 are on our joystick, and we can program any of them onto our F-key functions. When we're driving, and if we want to change our driving ranges, right now we're in 3, we can press here negative, which would go to 2. One more time, goes to 1. It doesn't change anything on the tractor, it just changes how this handle reacts. So you can see now the tractor speeds up slower. If I am in 3, it goes a lot faster. On our screen we have 3 menus. We have our road mode, which is basically just our dash. We have our field, and we can also do isobus if you have any isobus implements. If you look towards your right, we have multiple displays to display different ways of information. If you want to change any of them, just press on it, and we can change whatever we want to display. We can customize it to whatever you like. If you want to see how much fuel you're burning, how many acres you have done per hour, all of these can be changed right in here. Here's our different cruise speeds. So if I'm driving forward, I can just hold my cruise button in, and that's my cruise speed going forward. I can at any time speed up, and my cruise speed would shut off just like on a tractor. Then the last 2 things is the front axle suspension is over here, and our front wheel assist button is right here. Beside it is a diff lock.